some very basic functions in Excel. It contains upper, lower, proper, day, month and year. Now here is an example, like here we have written a name Manoj Singh. Okay. Now you can use this upper function. It is the syntax of it in this format. I press F2, you will come to know upper open bracket, this name and then close bracket. So whatever you put in this particular range, might be one cell or might be number of cells, everything comes on a upper limit. See, this Manoj Singh is in a small character. Here you are getting everything in upper. So this is the upper function used in Excel. Suppose you are having lot of text in Excel with small and various options. You can use this upper and make it one common thing like capital. Second function is lower. Whatever you put in this function, I will press F2. I return here lower at the rate C7 in the bracket. So C7 is this cell address. So it comes in lower. Suppose I type this thing in capital. For example, see, this is in capital, but everything what it gets with this function is lower. So that is used in some specific areas of Excel. Third one is proper. Proper means what actually it should be as per the grammatical thing. Here I written M and S in small. Here you are getting everything in M and S in big capital and balance in small. So this is the proper name which we normally spell in English language. So that proper function is used in this particular output. Then you can go in the next function of date. In date you can see this is the date 8/5/2020. I just put this F2 over here. See, day bracket open, C11, this cell bracket close. So it exactly extracts the day from the date, that is 8th of May. Same thing for month, where you put F2, month, this bracket close, and you get the month from the date, that is 5 May month. Same thing for year. It exactly takes out the year function from the given range. This is C15 is the range. I get exactly the year from it. This range can be differentiated with the differentiated characters and the data in your Excel. Okay, so just this is the very basic functions normally used in Excel at a student's level. Wherever it is been used, we can put this function and take the extract from any data of Excel. I hope you understood this. Thank you.